Two sample T test. So you have one sample here, one sample here. But this code don't have NP. So I have fixed NP here. This one. Right? When you run it in inhibitors, you will not get, yeah, you actually get the result in code. If you run this level, then I will come back to run this. Yeah. Um, uh, it's just click it. Okay, it's just run. No. Uh, let me try and see happen to run the instance that. Really well, we run things. Yeah, I don't know why you should maybe come here and run this for a while. Yeah, you see the result here, but somehow it moved down. Yeah, this is the result. Okay, so this is a missing part, right? And same thing that the t-test will work as well. T-test will work as well. Here, the result here.